Hey everybody, Norm from Tested here at DesignerCon 2019. This is Keith Poon, who's an artist, but you also run ToyQube out of New York, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you guys have worked with so many cool artists to bring their designs to collectibles, to turn them into real things. One of my favorite products that you guys put out is the Astro Boy series.
Great, thank you.
Which is your interpretation of the classic character. How did that come about and how has that evolved?
That's pretty, I do things that I really enjoy, this from a hobby now into a business, building my career. So it really it's my pleasure to work on a character that I really like. And Astro Boy, we don't want to make anything just from the storyline. We want to create something fresh and new for the collectors. So we have came up with a new series called the City series. We started from New York because it's based in New York. From New York and then to Los Angeles, to Thailand, and now we have some other new series will be coming out next year.
So it's like this remixing of a classic character because there's so many Astro Boy toys and figures and the history of the character. You're modernizing it and letting collectors who may live in New York or LA kind of make it their own and representative of their pride they have in their city.
Yes.
With a really cool design, of course, the Statue of Liberty tag and the LA hand gesture. That's really cool.
Okay,
this is a new one, right?
Yes,
What's this?
That's a new one. We call it hoodie versions. That's coming out very, very soon. Yeah. And this is more toward into a street culture. And we figure because we have been doing more shows with SneakerCon, and we figure this would be good for the sneakerhead.
Totally.
And not just for toy collectors.
And that's where a lot of these collectors, their interests intersect.
Yeah.
People who collect shoes or kind of buy limited edition sneakers, they also are into our toys.
Yeah, it's an urban take for this concept.
Now tell me about some of the other characters and figures and licenses you've worked with. Obviously you have Ninja Turtles here. I see some Looney Tunes. Tell me about these.
Yeah, so we do, besides our own productions, we also do a lot of brand collaborations and work with brands that I really love to. So Big Boy Toys are from Hong Kong. So they have these Ninja Turtle license. And these are really massive. Yeah, once you hold it and you would know oh, they are
it's
so massive.
It's imposed. It's going to take a big place on your shelf.
Yes.
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
I also love that your Looney Tunes license, the artists that you work with, it's very subversive take on Looney Tunes.
Yeah, there are a classic character like you said, but these are really fresh ideas, and they've never been made before.
Yeah,
and just really new to the market.
It's not only do you have some kind of a more grotesque versions, I love that Tom and Jerry, and you also have kind of ones with 3 eyes. It's really wild.
Yes.
What can people look forward to in the ToyQube world?
For next year, we are rolling out more licensing product, and one of the biggest big release for us is a Keith Haring Bluetooth speakers. Yeah, because we redesign everything structure inside, make it because it's we make the original back in 1985. But back in the day, there's no Bluetooth features. So we have to rework everything and make it up-to-date features. So that's something very, very new, and that will be one of our biggest draw for next year.
And as an artist yourself, bring back the Sharkies that you used to sculpt, or is Astro Boy the way for you going forward?
I would love to, but I just wait. When I get time to sit down and think about something new for the Sharky line. Yeah.
I would love to see more artwork from your creative
thank you.
brain. Thank you so much, Keith. Great to see you here at DesignerCon.
All right, thank you.
We'll check in next year.
All right.